it's smaller than that.
Yep. That was a good one.
Probably, dude, I had a really devastating one earlier after I ate all my Popeyes because like I ate it so fast.
That
I
grease
was
burp.
I was fucking starving because like I got like really fucking bored and I just started like working out like really hard until like everything got sore because
Yeah,
like
until you started hurting.
yeah because I felt nauseous and how I gain my appetite back is if you fucking work out enough, you're
You get
gonna
hungry.
need nutrition.
Yeah.
Yeah, or you're just fucking lazy.